Music has always interested me, and like in any typical South Indian household, we are initiated into Carnatic music, and we go for those mundane classes and we learn it, and somehow the surs and all stick in our head. But then, as we grew up and as we got into medicine, there was a big lull because we were so involved with our education and our patients, and our interest in Hindi film music I just can't describe. We have been listening to Vivid Bharati and Vinaka Geetmala throughout our lives, and humming and singing all throughout, whatever songs. And we have grown up on Bollywood songs. As I said, medicine took us away from all that for a while, and by the time we could get our bearings and realize that we want to sing again or get back into the stream, it was quite late. We were all in our 30s and 40s, and where would you find a teacher who at this stage would understand you and teach you only Sugam Sangeet, Bollywood songs and ghazals and things like that. And as if by magic, I happened to hear of Umesh Bipinji. Like a godsend, he was just teaching people who were of that age. It was like just what the doctor ordered for a doctor. And when I went to see him and I saw him actually teaching a class of almost senior citizens, I was really taken aback and amazed because he understood the problems of senior citizens, of people who have been conditioned, people who have been used to handling responsibilities at various stages in life, and who have kind of seen the world. They're not little kids who would just, pick up the music, whom you can just chide and you can scold and get them to sing. He had to, treat them with kids' gloves, literally. And he was doing it so well. And I could see how they were responding and they were improving as the classes were being taught to them. And then I got sucked in, and there has been no looking back at all. The way he teaches us simple things which no one ever bothered to tell us. Keep your mouth open while singing. Concentrate on the pronunciations, the enunciations. Give vent to your emotions of the song. And it's not just about, reciting a song. It is about rendering a song. And leave alone singing. Today I would have never imagined that I would be standing on the stage with a mic and actually singing. And forget singing, we are performing, we are emoting, we are dancing. And at this age, I never ever thought I would do such things.